Hi guys, Dr. Irene at the Green Room Physical Therapy. So today I'll be going over with you some bladder norms. So the normal amount of times you should be going to the bathroom throughout the day and how much you should be voiding. So to start, the bladder takes about 2 to 4 hours to completely fill. So with that being said, you should be voiding urine every 2 to 4 hours. Within a full day span of 24 hours, you should be voiding 5 to 8 times within that day. If you wake up to go to the bathroom at night, that should be less than once a night. So ideally not at all, but in normal is a 0 to 1 during the nighttime. You should not be going to the bathroom just in case. So if you don't know what that means, I did a poster video on this a few weeks ago, maybe it was a week ago, I don't know. But you can watch that video about going to the bathroom just in case. And the amount of fluid that you should be voiding will range from person to person, how hydrated you are, and the bladder function itself. So that'll range from 1 cup to 2 1/3 cups. So just some information for you all. Here at the Green Room Physical Therapy, for most of our patients, we give them what's called a bladder diary. So it does a lot of tracking about this information that I have given you and just seeing where you fall within this normal scale.